What's going on, everybody? Joe 690 ADV. Yep, just got done just getting inundated. We've been pounded with rain. It's been off and on and coming down pretty heavy at times, just lots of water everywhere. And that brings me to today's tip, especially for new riders and guys that are getting started, and even guys that have been riding for a while. If you don't have a lot of rain experience, I've got several thousand miles of riding in the rain on the interstates, highways and things like that. These tires right here, especially your knobby tires and us dual sport guys, you know, when rain comes on real quick, especially on asphalt in the when they do the tar stripping, whenever they fix the roads, when that gets wet really quick, what happens is that will turn into literally almost like glass or ice. These tires will slip and slide. Please make sure, and if you have any suggestions, guys that are seasoned riders out there, down in their comment section, tell people what you do. You know, I like to let off the throttle. I like to use no brakes whatsoever. I don't use any front brake at all when I get hit with rain quickly, especially from a dry to an instant wet surface. And I don't even really like using the back brake that much. I don't like that back end to get swirly at all. So I basically brake. I take off the acceleration off the throttle until those tires can get basically, I like to say, adjusted to the wet terrain that it is on. It doesn't take too long, but when it hits instantly, that rubber right there, especially all of the petroleums and all that stuff that's on the roadway, it can get pretty darn dangerous. I've actually seen guys go down in group rides because of quick rain and they weren't prepared, got a little bit of the front brake, panicky, and went down. So just keep in mind, whenever you get hit with some rain and stuff like that, make sure you're prepared. Don't panic, especially if you start feeling a little bit squirrely. Just let off that throttle a little bit. Don't accelerate, and stay off those brakes if you can. And also try to get a little over to the side of the road and out of the way, so that way if something does happen, you are definitely prepared to be away from the traffic. Anyway, hey, I'm Joe 690 ADV. That's kind of a tip today for wet rain and weather and stuff like that. And if you guys have any good suggestions on this, put it down below in the comment section. Don't forget, hit that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, make sure you're part of the channel, and we appreciate you, and we'll see you next week. 690 out.